In this episode of Improving Sales Performance Workshops, I'm going to introduce you to a concept called trial balloons. So what is a trial balloon? God, I love trial balloons because they're a way to help you sell more effectively. And if you do it right, you're going to build a relationship with that client or lead and generate more sales and just create a lot more value. So the whole idea with the trial balloon is you kind of put an idea up into the atmosphere and you see what happens. It's really a model about testing and pivoting and learning quickly. So what I like to do is come up with ideas that I can test. And I call them trial balloons. So it's really simple. If you start down a relationship with somebody and maybe they're a current client and you're trying to sell them on new ideas, or maybe there's somebody that just entered your funnel, you begin the conversation a little bit like this. All right, Mike, thanks for kind of telling me what is going on. I really want to create some value for you, and I have some ideas. So what I want to do is kind of get my team together, think through these ideas, and share them with you before we kind of finalize a proposal. I just kind of want to test the water to see if I'm in line with you. Most likely, Mike's going to be like, that sounds great, because remember, what does he want? He wants a solution. So if you've really gotten clear on what his problem is, and you introduce this idea, you have a really good chance of winning this account. And I kind of think about trial balloons in the life cycle of an account like a ladder. It's almost like we're playing chutes and ladders, but it's trial balloons and ladders, all right? So over here is your sale, right? And that's the top, and that's where we want to go. So we have the initial call, maybe that's the first rung, and we say, hey, what do you think about this trial balloon idea? Yeah, I love it. So you go back to your team, and you pitch them an idea right here. The guy goes, that's a great idea. Now you go up 3 spaces. Now you're here. You're a lot closer to the sale. And then you can do a trial balloon again. This is great. Let me think about some other ideas. Maybe you give him the other ideas and 1 goes down and 4 goes up. 1 was but the other he loved. And over time, you're getting closer and closer to that sale because you're consultatively selling to him. You're listening to what he wants, you're creating value, and you're sharing it with him, and you're just testing as long as you go. And trial balloons work all the time. It can work at the beginning of the sales process or even at the end. Imagine you have a proposal out and the guy's like not ready to buy. You can start playing the trial balloon game there too. Hey Mike, if you paid early, would that be something that could help? If I offered you a discount for some activity, would that help? Or, hey, I've got this whole other idea that I wanted to share with you. What do you think about that? And you start just kind of keep building the value more and more. So trial balloons and ladders to your success. Thanks for joining me, and go out there and make some great sales happen.